Hi, so if you want to ask for something in English, then of course you're going to use the verb ask. Now there are other verbs that we can use to replace ask, and I'm just going to give you 4 of them. Alright? The first one is to request. To request is a formal way of asking for something and is especially used when we talk about information. I requested the opening times of the museum, for example. Then we have claim. Now to claim is to ask for something that you have earned or that you believe that is yours. Okay, so you might have an insurance claim if you've had an accident, a car accident for example, or indeed at the airport you might claim back your baggage in case they've lost it, which happens sometimes nowadays. And then we have demand. Now be careful with demand, because you might think in Catalan we say demanar, but it's not the same, okay? You have workers, for example, who are on strike, okay? They're not going to ask for something, they're going to demand it, all right? And the final one we have is beg. To beg is to ask for something humbly. Now, my son has been begging me for this computer game for the last 2 months, and I've pretty much ignored him. Funnily enough, he doesn't beg to do his homework.